Hello and welcome to Simple French Cooking. My name is Francois. Today we are going to make a salad lyonnaise, and not just any salad lyonnaise, but one with dandelions. That's right, you heard me, dandelions from my front yard. I get it. Now, a lot of people think I'm crazy. My neighbors see me out in my yard and I'm digging up dandelions. They think I'm doing a good job weed killing naturally or something. But the fact is, I'm harvesting these dandelions to make dandelion salads and all kinds of other things. And they're really perfect in the springtime. They're very tender. They're not as bitter as they get. You know, and a lot of people really don't understand that back in the old days, like 100 years ago, people used to plant their yards with dandelions because of all the amazing health benefits of eating dandelion. I mean, not to mention that they taste great. So you're like wondering, what are the health benefits of eating dandelions? I mean, dandelions are pests, right? Okay, so dandelions have high levels of A and C and K vitamins, minerals like iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, all important for your body. Dandelions have tons of antioxidants in them. They fight inflammation. They help you lose weight to control blood sugar. But enough of this, because this is not a show on the health benefits of food. It's simply about good food. So like I said, we're going to make a salad lyonnaise, which is normally made with curly frisée, you know, that really curly, slightly bitter kind of green with poached eggs, bacon. You know, sometimes I've added potatoes to it, sometimes croutons, sometimes caramelized onions, sometimes all three, sometimes any combination thereof of all of that. But today we're going to make a salad lyonnaise with a 63-degree egg. So I'm going to show you how to cook one. So today I'm going to show you how to make a 63-degree egg. Now that's like one of the first things anybody does when they get one of these Anova circulators. Super easy to do. They taste great. It's going to be, you know, really the best poached egg you've ever had in your life. I mean, it's not really a poached egg, but it comes out with this beautiful creamy texture. So I'm going to use that instead of the traditional poached egg. And if you don't have one of these, I will put instructions on how to poach an egg the normal way with vinegar, water, etc. So cooking 63-degree eggs is super easy. You know, just follow the instructions of whatever circulator you happen to have. I like to use these really beautiful eggs from the farm. They just come out better to me. So you're going to put your eggs in, then we're going to top it with water. And we're going to set it to 145 degrees. And we're going to let this cook for an hour. That's it. Super, super simple. One other thing about dandelion greens is A, pick them when they're young. You don't want them to be too big. Don't pick them when they've flowered. You want to pick them before they flower, before they have buds. When they grow the flower, they tend to be a little bit more bitter. And then the most important thing is if you use chemicals on your lawn, don't eat them. It's never good to eat chemicals. All right, now cut about 4 ounces of bacon, usually about 1 ounce per person. Sometimes I go twice that, whatever you feel like. Now you want to cook your bacon very slowly to draw out as much fat and to get it crispy. Okay, now you got to pick through your dandelion leaves and pull out any that don't look good, that are spotted. There's no sense eating them. Plenty of weeds in the yard. I like to trim the ends off. And then I just chop the stems up a little bit finer and usually leave the leaves in a little bit bigger pieces. And Make sure you give this a taste because you want to make sure these aren't too bitter. I like to use the bacon fat when it's warm, and you need about 4 tablespoons or so. We're just gonna add a touch of mustard here. A little splash of vinegar. Just a pinch of salt and a grating of mustard. Mustard? I meant pepper. I'll put in a couple handfuls of dandelion or frisée, whatever you're using, and just give it a good toss with your hands. Want to make sure you just mix it up really well. And the good thing about both frisée and dandelion is it can sit for a few minutes before you eat it. Now just crack your 63-degree egg into a bowl, and you're gonna have a little bit of the white that comes out, but look how beautiful that is. It's perfectly cooked. Mound a handful of dandelion on each salad and make sure you get enough of the garnishes in there for everybody. Split it up fairly. And then we're just going to finish the salad off with the 63-degree egg put right on top. And just be gentle getting it on, but it's a little bit more sturdy than poached egg. All right, let's give this a go. Oh my God, look at this perfect egg. So creamy. Perfect, healthy lunch. Give this dandelion salad a try. Please subscribe to Simple French Cooking. If you hit the bell, you can get gems like this recipe in your inbox every week. Thanks for watching.